This is a 1960 Rambler-style American home in the cold northern state of Minnesota. It's crude, it's drafty, and it's inefficient. Except it isn't. Not anymore. Well, I'm certainly pumped. I'm a first-time homeowner, and over the past few months, I've been working to make this old house as energy efficient as possible. So far, I've sealed up major air leaks, replaced my old single-pane windows with these dual-pane insulated units, added significant insulation R value to my exterior walls and attic, but most importantly, I replaced my gas-guzzling, oil-burning furnace with this MrCool Universal Energy Star certified cold climate ducted heat pump.
And I did it myself for less than $5,000.
But what the heck is a heat pump, you ask? Well, it's only the most efficient home heating and cooling technology ever. Okay, but what is it exactly?
It's an air conditioner.
Really? Isn't it more complicated than that? Well, okay, sort of.
It's conditioning the air outside.
Ah, the humble heat pump, a technological marvel of home climate control.
It's an air conditioner that can run in reverse.
Well, to be more specific, a heat pump is an electromechanical home heating and cooling system that leverages the latent heat of evaporation and condensation as part of the vapor compression refrigeration cycle to collect, concentrate, and move heat energy from one location to another. Simple.
So, it's an air conditioner that can run in reverse.
Exactly. See, heat is energy, and energy is energy. Thanks to latent heat and the wonders of the refrigeration cycle, air conditioners, and especially heat pumps, are able to move more energy in heat than they consume in electricity to power their compressor and fans. This heat pump, at 17 degrees Fahrenheit,
And minus 8 degrees Celsius for those with a logical temperature scale.
consumes 2,900 watts of power, which under normal circumstances would be just under 10,000 BTUs an hour of heat output. See, watt-hours and BTUs are actually the same thing. They are both units of energy. But thanks to the refrigeration cycle, this MrCool Universal actually outputs 24,000 BTUs per hour of heat. That's 242% efficient. Or to put it another way,
That's 2.5 units of heat per unit of heat.
and this MrCool Universal unit is rated down to minus 22. What all of this means is that, at least with my utility pricing, for a vast majority of the winter heating season, operating this heat pump is on par with the cost of a natural gas furnace, and significantly cheaper than running electric heat or that old oil furnace. And once again,
I installed it myself for less than $5,000.
to learn more about heat pumps, check out MrCool.com to see if their DIY or Universal series is right for you.